that very one na ibibigay sa ating debutant ngayon is the sweet young Simon Villahermosa. Alright, ayan. How old is Simon? 5 years old. The little brother of our debutant. Na-culture shock ang 5 years old. Anyways, thank you so much, Simon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Rex Padaran.